Sound Reading's Boost program offers the most natural way to learn to read. Our software and readers guide children on a unique and powerful speech and language journey to strong reading skills. With Sound Reading software, students spend approximately 15 hours working through 12 levels of activities over the course of 12 weeks. We provide more than 20 different types of speech and language-based activities designed to strengthen foundational reading skills. It is essential that students use headphones while working through the software because each exercise requires a response to a spoken prompt. This screen shows a list of the many types of activities in the program. Let's look at 4 key types of lessons. Here you see an auditory discrimination exercise. Students identify one phoneme within a word displayed on the screen. They click on the sound that corresponds to the prompt.
Click on the O in loft.
O.
Click on the P in pot.
P.
Click on the in rut. Click on the in rut.
The ability to create new words by recognizing and manipulating phonemes is essential to reading. This exercise is purely sound-based. No letters are used. Students must pay attention to the sequence of changing sounds in words. Let's look at the introduction and an example of how it is played.
Spoken words are just sounds. They have no letters. Pretend that you live in a land with no letters. You use blocks to stand for sounds. A word like bat would have 3 blocks. B, A, T. If the first sound changes, like bat to hat, then move the first block. If the second sound changes, like bat to bit, move the second block. If the third sound changes, like bat to ban, move the third block. Remember, the blocks represent the number of sounds, not letters. Let's play with blocks and sounds. Change go to no. Oh. No. Change no to row. Oh.
Row.
Change row to foe. Oh. Foe. Change foe to fi. I. Fi.
Segmenting spoken words into speech sounds is essential to reading an alphabetic language. Regardless of age, this process is underdeveloped in every struggling reader. In this activity, students change one word into another by manipulating sounds and letters.
Change din to dit. Change dit to det. Change det to bet.
Some students can identify words but read at a low word-by-word pace. The following activity develops memory and retrieval processes needed for rapid automatic reading. The basketball at the bottom of the screen represents sounds. Students drag the basketball into the hoop that makes the matching sound.
Play. Play.
Black.
road, play, road, play,
black,
road, play, play.
We've just shown you only 4 of the over 20 types of activities on the software. Each activity is played for just a few minutes to keep attention and motivation high. The reading therapy provided by Sound Reading software is fun and easy to use. If traditional reading instruction isn't working for your family, this is the innovative approach that your child needs. Boost software has been used in schools for over 10 years, improving students' reading ability to grade level and beyond. Thanks for previewing our software. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-801-1954 to speak with one of our reading specialists.